Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're unveiling the top 3 URL shorteners that can help you make money online in 2024. These platforms are high-paying and highly reliable. And don't miss out on our .1 pick. There's a special bonus waiting for you, so stay tuned until the end. Let's dive right in without any further delay. Starting off with number 3 on our list, we have X.io. X.io is a fantastic URL shortener that pays an impressive $12 for every 1,000 views from US traffic. It offers a variety of payout methods including Payeer, Bitcoin, PayPal, and many more. Plus, it has an excellent Trustpilot score of 4.4, indicating strong user trust and reliability. That's right, $12 per 1,000 views. Quite remarkable, isn't it? Next up, at number 2, we have CLK.H. This URL shortener can pay up to $20 per 1,000 visits. It supports a wide range of payout methods like Bitcoin, Payeer, PayPal, WebMoney, and even UPI. One of its standout features is the daily payouts, ensuring you get your earnings quickly. CLK.H also boasts an impressive Trustpilot score of 4.5, making it a very reliable choice. Daily payouts mean you get your money swiftly. Definitely a great feature. Before we reveal the top spot, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a huge surprise coming soon, and you definitely don't want to miss it, so stay tuned with us. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 URL shortener on our list is ShrinkMe.io. ShrinkMe.io is an exceptional platform offering up to $22 per 1,000 views. That's right, $22. It also provides payouts on a daily basis and supports various payment methods like Bitcoin, Payeer, PayPal, UPI, and even bank transfers for Indian users. It has a solid Trustpilot score of 4.0. And here's the special bonus for you. ShrinkMe.io gives a $1 sign-up bonus to all new registered users. Yes, you heard that right. You get $1 just for signing up. So why wait? Sign up now and start earning right away. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day and happy earning. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. And remember, we've got a big surprise coming soon. Stay tuned. Check out our other videos for more ways to make money online and let us know in the comments which URL shortener you're most excited to try. See you next time.